Hey YouTube, I want to show you guys the walking mute technique, and this is how we tune unisons across the whole piano. If you want to know more about this, I go really in depth and show you how to clean unisons really good in the Apex Piano Mentorship. Check out apexpiano.com. But this is a walking mute. So basically, you would tune the middle string to your device, okay? Then you'd move the mute to the right. Then you'd tune the right string to the middle. Then you'd move this mute over. You'd tune the left string to the middle. And you can walk all the way down. You tune the middle string to your device. You tune the right string to the middle. You tune the left string to the middle. You can go back anytime and check that your middle string has stayed in tune. You can move and you just keep going all the way down. When you get to the very end of the section, or when you're at the beginning of a section, you will tune your left string first. You will move your mute over like that. You tune your middle string, and then you'll move it over here and you'll tune your third string or your right string to either of those two. That is exactly how you use the moving mute technique. It speeds things up. You do not, with an AccuTuner, strip the entire piano. You tune from 0 all the way to the top. You start at the bottom. You don't start in the middle, just like they would traditionally do by ear. It is much more stable, and I can teach you, and Todd can teach you much more about that, becoming a really good, stable piano tuner, and how to use the moving mute technique with an AccuTuner. You can tune a piano in 30, 45 minutes. Join us at apexpiano.com. I'd love to see you over there.